So I started I started recording. See, Bluetooth is still sharing. So let me get to downloads. Let me look for the fonts. See, it's even an opportunity to learn how to install fonts. So when you download these fonts, they come as zip file, right? So you can unzip it, right click. I told you the other day, extract all, right? So we extract the fonts and we'll find all the fonts inside. How many do they have here? So I told you can install by clicking and clicking install, or you can just copy them and drop into your control panel. Since I don't have like, I think this font family is not complete. You know, oh, it's complete. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hold every one of them and drop into my control panel. So you search for your control panel, then look for fonts. So here are your fonts. So you can drag every one of them and drop in here, and you have copied the font. So when you download font like that, you extract them first off, then you can copy or whatsoever way, drag or install. Very, very easy. So most times when you want to design, you might not even be using the fonts that you have on your system. You would have to like download new fonts. So most times designers look for new fonts before they start new projects. All right, I just finished sending everything. So I'm opening a new page. So please confirm that you can hear me. If I have not said anything till now, just confirm you can hear me. From now, everything is smooth. Just use the
I
real.
can hear you.
Okay, and you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
All right, thank you. So we just finished extracting all our images. So I'm going to get those pictures that we downloaded. I think they are here. Yes, the one, two, three. So here are the three images. God of Israel. Is this the quality of the picture? Yeah. Beautiful. Guess we have to get this image ourselves again. So let me get to free pick. We'll take that same step we used before. Freepick.com. Oh, God, God. This is the fastest design I've done in my life. So let's see, crowd music concerts. I think I'll use this one. So when you have the image you want to use, you just simply download, free download like this, and you start downloading into your PC. Then another thing we searched for was saxophone, right? Saxophone. Well, let's say music singer. I don't think we have enough time to look for everything. So inside of here, we can even get all the images we want. I need pictures with high resolution. Most of these pictures are not looking high resolution. Let's wait for the picture to load and see. When did free pic start uploading low resolution pictures? I don't even understand all this. Let's see this one. So I'll ask you to remove the background already. I hope this comes out well. I don't want to go to another website. I'm trying to manage time.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
So, how can one tell if a picture is of low resolution now?
When you look at it and you see the picture is not looking very clear enough, you're seeing it already. So that's why most time when you want to download pictures, we wait for the picture to load a bit, right? So if the picture have load, then you see it. Like as you're looking at this picture, you can see that it's crispy clear now. Yeah, some of them you will see they look a bit blur. So that's what I'm saying. Some of the picture look blur. That's why I'm not downloading it. So I need something that is a bit like shining. And it's most of these AI pictures. I don't know when this way people start. Let me see this guy first. And you see how this picture is looking like. I say remove the background now. Let me see if it's been looking nice. I think they are even purposely doing this. If you look at the premium pictures, the ones that have these crowns, they are looking more better than premium pictures are looking more better than this. So there is this other site where you can remove backgrounds. It's called, so if you search for Adobe remove background, just type Adobe remove background. So you tap on the first thing you see at the top, remover of background. So you saw it when I shared it on my phone now. You see how that website moves. So you just need to upload the picture that you downloaded on the website, and it traces out the image and gives you a clean picture without a background. So this is the icon, this rainbow A that you have there. And see how this guy is looking like. I don't have any choice. Let me download it like that. Look at these ones that was downloaded before. See how they are looking. So pixelated. So now to bring in these pictures, I'm going to click on the import button. So we're going to go to our downloads and find those pictures we just downloaded. So I think it's 1, 2, 3. Please sharp. This is really good. Come. Your PC they reduce picture quality. I don't really understand what's going on. Say the job quality. Yeah. Just from the picture. You know that I download though. No allow load first. No, you load that. Don't be on for Google Chrome. It's from this thing. I don't fear. Than the inches. Yeah, even this one safe, they are sharp. Oh gosh. Shall we have that means we have various options right now. So let me get them. Alright. So what did we call it? We said the brand name is Stardom. Stardom. So we're going to like just create a simple logo for them also just now. So if we are saying Stardom, what kind of icon would be their logo? So it should be a star, right? So let me use polygon. Remember I said we can use polygons to draw stars also. So what I will do this time is I will increase the airline for this. Let's use F12 instead.
I just did magic. Oh.
What magic? Were you not in the class last week? I don't have enough time. By 11, this thing will be off. When you use polygon, you draw a polygon, right? So I did this in the last class. Go and watch the video of last class. It means you haven't watched this. That's why you're saying I'm doing magic. So you get to the shape tool. You use the shape tool and you move this stuff like this. Then you can change your polygon to a star, right? If you click this arrow in here, there's also a star tool also here. So you can draw the star itself, or you can turn the polygon to a star, whatsoever one you want. Please, I'm trying. See, by 1 o'clock, there's no. I'm using somebody else's PC, and the person has another class. So by 1 o'clock, I have to be done with this PC. So the class is being recorded. So just chill, all right? 2 by 2. So I'm just trying to create a simple logo from this. So we'll make it F12. Then I will increase this stuff this way. So I'll make it like 30 instead. So I'm trying to create a logo from this. Let's plus it. I'll create an extra one inside of it. So I'm going to convert it to an object. Remember what I said? You see it in the former video, please. So you go to the object, say convert outline to object. So the outline becomes an object like that. Right. So I'm going to like just leave it this way. So let's say this is their logo. Right. So let's just say this is their logo. I think this two is enough. The star is not as thick as I want it. Let's hold on. Let's say 50. Yeah, objects, convert items objects. So plus it. Okay. So we'll be using a page size of 10 by 10. Now flyers can come in various form, right? So we can say there is the A5 size here. We have A5. So we can use this A5 size instead, whatsoever one you want. But I don't want to use that. I'll make my height to be 11, no, width to be 10, then width height 11.5. Right, so I think this is one of the most standard size most stuffs are using nowadays. So I'll create a box around here. So I'll power clip this stuff inside here. So I haven't told you guys what power clip is. Power clip is placing an object inside of a container. So an easy way to do that, when you click on the object, you can go here. We have object here. Then we have power clip and you say place inside frame. Then if I tap here, this picture goes inside here. Now that's one way to do it. Another way is dragging the object using your right click. So if I drag with right click, I can place it inside here and I say power clip inside. All right. So now the moment this picture is inside of this box, you can't touch it anymore. So an easy way to go in, you can click on edit, or you can say right click and you say edit power clip. Then I can come in here. All right. Then we can make it bigger. So I'm going to make the stuff so big until we are okay with it. Finish editing. So I can remove my airline. So let's see which of this image is going to work here. Bruh. This is why I would have preferred to trace this picture myself. This AI is to trace rubbish. Let's use this one instead. So I'm replacing this image. I'm not using it anymore. So I'm bringing two images inside here, which is this. Wow. So two images coming inside here, this one and this. So what I'll do is I'll make this one as big like this. Then we'll place this light at the top here. Now, placing this light here, people would visibly see the line that is separating two of them at this center. So we'll use a tool here called the transparency tool, this transparency tool. Then I'll use this fountain transparency. So I can easily bend this stuff, rotate it like this. So the light will just be on top of it. Squeeze it. Let's see how it looks like outside. Um, all right. Let me see how this guy will work here now. So you see that because the background is working with him, it can work perfectly in the design now. Let's see if we can add this lady here. If she's not working, I'm going to delete her from the design. Okay, I think we'll just stick to this two. So I'll take them inside, Control X, cut them, take it inside here, edit power clip, and paste here, just like that. And cut this guy downwards like this. So they are looking as if they are out of the design. So there's something I'm going to do that's going to make them feel instead of design. I'm going to import this background of this light, right? This background like this. So there's what we call overlay. So I'm going to go to my transparency tool, and here I won't select any of these. I'm going to go to my merge mode and try adding them on the design. See how it's going to come out. Let me try screen. So I'm going to trim here downwards. This. So we can reduce the effects if it's shining too much. So you can see the difference now. When this background is not on top of it, they are looking like just normal. Or when I place it on top of it, it's giving kind of effect as if they are also inside of the party, or whatever I want to say. So I'm going to make it a bit more dark. So I'll duplicate. So let's put it in and see how it looks like. Nope. 20 minutes watching. God, I beg. So let's make it bigger. Let's delete these other ones. So we can see the direction we are going to. So this is the brand logo here, Stardom. So the next thing we might have there is presents, right? So for presents, I'll be using like the lighter version of this font. Then make it smaller, like let's say 18. So this one will be grouped, Ctrl G, hold it with this centralize. So I think it's having too much stuff here. What did we call it? Seth? Said musical. Musical what? Gods. Please, what did I call this show? Is it Musical Got Talent? It's not sounding nice in my ear. Oh, whatever. Musical Got Musical Talent Show. Concert. So this one is going to fill up this space altogether. So we said for hierarchy reasons, since this is the main of the design, I'm going to look for like Gilroy more bold. So Gilroy heavy, there's Gilroy heavy here. So we'll reduce, we're going to break them apart. So we can break this apart by pressing Ctrl K, then making this big. So I want them to like meet each other at the same point. There's a whole lot that can still be done to this design, but we don't have enough time. Why we're slowing down is because we don't have information so we want to put on this design. Registration. Oh, let's see how to register. See how to register registration. People are not even helping out. Like, have you not seen flyers like this? Tell me what to put. I think they will say pay So we don't use bold for this. We're going to make it, let's say, regular. Bank details. That's my account. So we'll not just keep this as simple. So I want to create like a box here. So I'll use this color from, remember I said we'll pick colors from our design. So I'm using the color eyedropper to look for like shade of blue from this design, and I'll fill in this box. So I'm drawing another shape down here to fill this up like this. This will be white. So here, watch this. I'm drawing a box down here, but I'll convert the box to a curve. Control Q. So you look as if it's coming from here. I'll fill this to have two colors also. Oh, wow. Ah, where's came in? I know. Abeg, no vex. Just give me 5 minutes. So now where to buy the food, now be the problem. No, get plans now. How do we get plans to buy? Get plans. So I think basically this is where we stop, right? If there's any other thing that will be here, maybe if they have sponsors, let me just search sponsors logos. If I will just find easy ones. You might have, so if you have like sponsors for the event, so for instance, I will just copy the image. You don't have enough time to start cropping all these things. So I'll just duplicate them, then bring it downwards. I think just this one here sef is enough. There's no much sponsor for the event. Just place it. I'll just place them inside here like that. So I'll cut this out because I think it's not showing well. So I'll paste it inside here, move it up a bit. So if you like, you can even write sponsors or blah blah blah. So since it's still a design that is not out yet, so there's no point putting location yet. Yes, you are done. So we just established about a flyer, how to design a simple concert flyer. Eye-catching information. So what is the essence of the flyer? Has to have the brand logo, right? And as it has the brand logo, let's see. I want to try something else. 2 minutes. We are done already. Our airpar. Control C. So I want to see how it will look like on top of the text. I think it's better. So see what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut out this text, whatever I have here. I'm going inside, edit power clip, pasting it in here. Then this background, I'll bring it upwards, shift page up. So you see the difference when it's on the text and when it's not on the text. So it's better to place it on top of the text. And I will increase the overlay. So I guess we are done. So flyer is one of them, and by tomorrow we'll try exploring business card and letterheading. Those ones are very very simple. So, but to create a flyer, first of all, you need the background of whatever you're designing for. Now, why we went this way is because we are creating for a music concert. And if you check inside of here, you see how many stuff I downloaded. I downloaded the image we are using. Let me just bring every of them out. So you can see that the light is different from the crowd, and then the musicians are also different. So it's just these two that we used for the design, right? So this is light, this is this. So if you watch the video all over again, you will find how I trace them all together. So I'll see you guys tomorrow by 11. Please, I don't want to come in the group and paste link. Say, why have you not joined the class? Please be in class on time. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me just save this thing.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, welcome. So I will try to get the video to you guys today. Right. Bye.